father and son. Lucky and Tiger. Sarap ng higa sa bed. Naku po. Ay, ginulo nyo na naman ang aking inayos na bed. The father and son. Tiger. This is Daddy Tiger. And Lucky boy. Handsome boy. Handsome boy Lucky. Of course, Daddy is handsome also. Daddy Tiger. Pero, makulit sila. Yan. Ginulo ang higaan ng dalawa na makukulit.